Mabuhay HM11 and Sir Edgar. So kami ang Group 4 at nandito kami para i-present ang Region 12 and Region 13. So unahin muna natin ang Region 12, ang SOC Sergeant.
Region 12, SOC Sergeant. Geographical location: Provinces: South Cotabato, North Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, General Santos City. Capital City: Carandal City, Kidapawan City, Isulan, Alabel. Did you know SOC Sergeant is located in Central Mindanao and is officially designated a Region 12? The regional center is Coronadal City, which is located in the province of South Cotabato. The region has extensive coastlines, valleys, and mountain ranges. Cotabato covers the Rio Grande, the Mindanao, which is the longest river in Mindanao, and the second longest in the Philippines. SOC Sergeant stands for the regions, for provinces, and one of its circles. Trivia about South Cotabato. South Cotabato is also called Land of Dream Weavers. It is because Tinalak weaving, hailed as the province's ultimate cultural emblem, is a traditional masterpiece of geometric patterns dreamed to life by Tiboli women. And trivia number 2, North Cotabato is regarded as the fruit basket of Mindanao. The province has an agriculture-based industry which is vast plains and rolling terrains, providing suitable areas for growing a variety of crops and tropical fruits. And number 3, Sultan Kudarat is named after Sultan Muhammad Dipatuan Kudarat, a rebel Muslim leader who resisted Spanish colonization in the 7th century. Lake Buluan, located in Sultan Kudarat, is the second largest lake in the region and is known for its iconic or scenic beauty and abundant aquatic resources. And number 4, Sarangani Trivia. Sarangani as a province is more widely known because it is the hometown of the Filipino boxing icon Manny Pacquiao. And it is the tuna capital of the Philippines, but little do people know that the Sarangani is province named after it says Sarangani Bay. And last but not the least, number 5. Number 5, General Santos City or General Santos, also known formerly named as Dadiangas, is a city in the Philippines. It is considered the tuna capital of the Philippines, located at Central Mindanao in SOC Sergeant region. And that's all. Thank you.
So ayun guys, dito na tayo sa food and delicacies. Syempre, sinong hindi ma-excite sa mga food and delicacies, di ba? So unahin natin ang food and delicacies ng South Cotabato. Ito ang balbakwa. So ano nga ba ang balbakwa? Balbakwa, also spelled balbakwa or balbacoa, is a Filipino beef stew made from beef, collagen-rich beef parts, and various spices cooked for several hours until very tender. It is typically served with white rice or miswa or Miki noodles. So ayun, since kita nyo nga na ang balbakwa ay maihalin tulad ko siya sa kare-kare. Sa kulay pa lang, kita nyo naman diba sa pictures. Ang kinaibahan lang ng kare-kare sa balbakwa ay ang kare-kare ay para lang sa kanin. So ang balbakwa pwede siyang i-serve with miswa or Miki noodles.
Hello, my name is Chelly Janelle Cruz and I am going to discuss the food delicacy in North Cotabato. Baye-baye. Baye-baye, it is made from coconut water, grated scrape, young coconut meat, sugar, and toasted pinipig or pounded rice grains.
Tiyula itom is a traditional Tauzong dish from the Solo archipelago in Mindanao. Tiyula itom is a black beef soup known as a unique dark color which comes from burnt coconut. The dish typically include beef, often wood bones, ginger, lemongrass, turmeric, and the spices. The burnt coconut adds smoky flavor and distinct color to the soup. Cultural significance. It is often served during special occasions and celebrations.
Tinagtag. Tinagtag, made from the grounded rice, then cooked in oil. Tinagtag came from the root word tagtag, which means topping. The procedure of cooking implies its name, where it needs the great patience, to produce such a yummy food. It is made up of ground rice and sugar with a little water added, which produce a thick mixture placed over a coconut shell drilled with small holes and picked with a wooden stick bind with a rope and tied to the pole. That is tinagtag.
Tuna Kinilaw of General Santos City. This is a raw fish salad marinated in vinegar, onion, and chili. The acidity of the vinegar cooks the fish, giving it a unique flavor and texture.
So ayun, since tapos na natin pag-usapan ang mga food and delicacies ng Soxargen, pupunta naman tayo sa mga accommodations na pwede nating pag-stayan pag tayo nga ay nasa Soxargen. So sa South Cotabato na tayo. Ang accommodation na pwede niyong pag-stayan sa South Cotabato ay ang The Farm at Carpenter Hill. So ano nga ang The Farm at Carpenter Hill? This 11 hectares sprawling garden resort that has become the benchmark of most players in the city's hospitality industry, acquired in 1990. This farm is planted to a variety of fruit trees such as calamansi, durian, mango, lanzones, coconut, and other local trees. So yon, since nga siya ay isang farm, madami talaga kayong makikitang mga trees doon. Sinabi na may calamansi, may durian, mango, lanzones, coconut, at other local trees. So hindi lang kayo basta mag-i-stay doon. Baka nga pwede pa kayong magpitas or kumain ng mga fresh fruits na galing nga sa kanilang farm.
Greenleaf Hotel is the only 4-star hotel in General Santos, and it is the most elegant hotel in Mindanao. By embodying Western comfort and Filipino hospitality, we give you the best of the both worlds.
White Heaven Resort of Sarangani. A fine white sand beach is so typical in Gumasaglan, Sarangani province. One of the popular is the White Heaven Beach Resort. This beach resort invites everyone to enjoy the suns and the fine white sand and the sea in a very calm environment.
So ayun nga, tapos na tayo sa accommodation ng Soxargen. Tayo pupunta naman sa mga festival na ginaganap at talaga namang dinadayo dito. So unahin natin ang Tinalak Festival. So ano nga ba ang Tinalak Festival? The festival get its name from Tinalak, a colorful abaca cloth created and woven by the women of the Tiboli tribe of South Cotabato. The Tinalak Festival also commemorates the works of Lang Dulay, a Tiboli princess from the Lake Cebu who was the best weaver of her time. So kaya pala pinagdiriwang ang festival na ito para sa pagkilala ng mga gawa ni Lang Dulay na kanilang prinsesa na siya daw na pinakamagaling na weaver no habang siya'y nabubuhay.
Monato Festival of Sarangani, a Thanksgiving festival and a grand celebration in commemoration of Sarangani's progressive evolution. It is also the province foundation anniversary.
Kalilangan Festival. The Kalilangan Festival aims to celebrate the significant contribution of pioneers and their descendants in helping curb a name for General Santos.
Ayun, tapos na tayo sa Region 12. Sana ay lalibot namin kayo kahit hindi man pisikal at sana na ipakilala namin ng ayos ang mga food and delicacies, accommodation at festival na maaari nyong i-enjoy pag kayo ay nasa Soxargen region. So ayun nga, sabi nga sa kanta ni Vice Ganda, wag nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa, boom, kara-karaka, tayo dediretso na agad sa Region 13, ang Caraga Region.
Region 13, the Caraga region. In Caraga region, we have 5 provinces. First is the Agusan del Norte, the capital city is Butuan. Second is Agusan del Sur, the capital city is Prosperidad. Third is Siargao del Norte, the capital city is Siargao City. Fourth is Siargao del Sur, the capital city is Tandag. Last is the Dinagat Island, which is the capital city is San Jose. Here is the fun facts and trivia in Caraga region. Did you know that Agusan del Norte is a third-class province and the second smallest in the Caraga region? It is mountainous along its northeastern and western part. In between are flat, rolling landscape, particularly where the Agusan River cuts through as it empties in Butuan Bay. Its crystal clear waters that sparkle with a bright reflection of the sun, and verdant landscapes, enchanting caves, pear-shaped lake, multi-tiered waterfalls are great getaways that await you. Also, Agusan del Norte's claim to being the province where the first mass was held is perpetuated in oral historical traditions, whose beginnings date as far back as the latter part of March and early part of April 1521. Agusan del Sur remains an important agriculture province in the Philippines, contributing to the country's food production. It is also known for its cultural heritage and natural beauty, attracting tourists who are interested in exploring the province's diverse landscapes and indigenous. Dinagat Island has multitude of fascinating white sandy beaches with arrays of colossal rock formations. These sites and attractions are as diverse as the topography of the island and islets. The province is known for its caves, resorts, and beaches. Fourth is Surigao del Norte is known as the surfing capital of the Philippines due to its world-class surfing spots, including Cloud9 in Siargao Island, which hosts international surfing competitions. The province is part of the Surigao Strait, a body of water famous for its strong currents and rich marine biodiversity, attracting diverse and underwater enthusiasts. Last, the Surigao del Sur is called Shangri-La by the Pacific because its long coastlines face the Pacific Ocean, where beautiful sunrise beginning to emerge against the charm of green mountains, rock and coral island, white sand beaches, and amazing waterfalls and rivers. And here is the food and delicacies of Caraga region. First is nilupak of Agusan del Norte. Nilupak is made up of kasaba or balanghoy in Butuanon. The kasaba is mashed or nilusak and mixed with margarine, sugar, and grated coconut, then rolled into small balls. Depende kung i-roll nyo po ng circle or depende po talaga sa inyo kung iaano siya sa pan, like i-rectangular po ninyo. And the cassava balls are then sprinkled with grated coconut. The nilusak is sweet and delectable and comes in a creamy and soft consistency.
So isa sa mga food and delicacies ng Caraga region ay ang tamilok ng Agusan del Sur. So ano nga ba ang tamilok? It is a woodworm found in the foods. Tamilok is neither the squeamish nor the faint of heart. The experience of eating it is more risque than eating sushi. Forget raw. These worms are eaten alive. Hala, alive daw. So kung mahina ang sikmura mo, wag mo na susubukan ng tamilok kasi isusuka mo lang ito kasi nga kakainin mo siya ng buhay at pwedeng gumagalaw pa siya habang ito'y kinakain mo.
Budbud Kabog, it hails from Visayas region, specifically from the island of Cebu. Budbud Kabog is a type of suman or rice cake made of millet kabog. The millet mix coconut milk and sugar, wrapped in the banana leaves and steamed until cooked. The result is a sweet, fragrant, and slightly chewy delicacy. Budbud Kabog is a popular snack or dessert in Cebu. It is often associated with festival and local gatherings.
Dried pinjanga of Siargao del Sur, also known as white goby. This first-class dried fish came from Lake Mainit in Siargao. Lake Mainit is the country's fourth-largest lake and the province's most significant body of the water, filled with freshwater fauna such as carp, tilapia, catfish, and the famous pinjanga.
Kasaba cake of Dinagat Island. This is similar to Vietnam's Bang Quam, a cake that is made from grated cassava, sugar, coconut milk, and a small amount of salt.
Accommodations of Caraga region. First is the Almond Island Resort of Agusan del Norte. Almond Island Resort is a 4-hectare haven that sits in the heart of Butuan City. The resort is just 10-minute ride away from the airport and is the only 3-star resort hotel in the area. Its well-designed rooms speak of the distinct Butuanon warmth and hospitality that can only be found in the Almond brand hotels.
White Sands Beach Resort in Siargao del Sur, nestled on the pristine shores of Siargao Island, Philippines. White Sand Beach Resorts offer a serene retreat for travelers seeking a tranquil getaway, with its idyllic location and breathtaking views of the turquoise water. This 2-star hotel is the perfect destination for those looking to unwind and reconnect with nature.
Club Terra Resort. The resort offers various types of accommodation, including water, bungalows, and cottages. These accommodations are designed to provide guests with a luxurious and comfortable stays while allowing them to enjoy the natural beauty of the surroundings. Many rooms have direct access to water and private jacuzzi.
Bugkosan Festival of Dinagat Island. Bugkosan Festival, also called Bugkosan sa Isla Festival, is a founding anniversary of Dinagat Islands, Philippines, held every 3rd of December. Bugkosan Festival activities are created to attract tourists to the island. It is famous for its natural resources and inviting tourist spots. It is additionally a festive gathering of 7 municipalities.
One of the festivals and events of Caraga region is Balangay Festival of Agusan del Norte. Balangay Festival, also called Balanghay Festival, is festival in Butuan, Agusan del Norte to remember the happening to the early transients that settled Butuan territory on board the Balangay boats.
Kaliguan Festival is an annual celebration held in Caguit, Surigao del Sur that pays tribute to the feast day of Saint John the Baptist.